everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 17th of August and currently the time is 1 p.m. Okay, and as you all must have seen in my last video that I was at the Mahadev temple in Tambadi Surla. Okay, so in the previous video I showed you all the temple, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all the waterfall, the Tambadi Surla waterfall. So we have already started the track and it has also started raining very heavily. Okay, so right at the entrance of the temple there is this forest officer who is sitting and giving you all the tickets for the waterfall. So per person the ticket is like 100 rupees and we have paid 100 rupees for two. Okay, so I don't know what to say, like we have just started and it is already raining heavily. Okay, so I'll just show you all how the trail is. So that is from where we started our track. Okay, and a proper trail is made. Okay, and you just have to follow it. And according to the forest officer, he said that the trail is very easy. Only the last 500 meters of the track is like a bit uphill. Okay, so just need to be careful there.
मैं उधर जाके नदी में घुस गया।
नदी में थोड़ी ना जाना, उसने बोला तो ऊपर सीधा सीधा ट्रैक बना है। धीरे धीरे चलो, अभी से हड़ हड़ चलने लगोगे तो चल नहीं पाओगे आगे। So regarding the timings of the waterfall, this the track for the waterfall starts at around 8 a.m. in the morning, and the entry to the waterfall is only till 2 p.m. in the afternoon. After 2 p.m. they don't let you go, and to come back you all have to be outside this whole track before 5 o'clock. Okay, not more than that. So if you all like want to come and track, prefer coming in the morning early hours, like when this opens. Okay, I would recommend that. But like right now the time is like 1:30 and we have started a track. Okay, and the track is like 4 kilometers one way, so both the way coming and going it's going to be 8 kilometers. And according to the forest officer, he said that it should take like 1 to 1.5 hours to complete the track. Let's see how much time we take. We are not pro trackers, but let's see. So after like trekking for a while, got this signboard from the forest department which mentions the do's and don'ts while trekking. Okay, just pause and read it. Okay, well this board also indicates that we are on the right path. So let's go. So far it's been good and easy, but some portions, well, it's a bit, you know, like scary, because you can see no one in the front, no one in the back. So well, it's okay. And from here I can hear the river flowing and the sound is like so loud. It's quite loud. Okay, it's a bit mushy here. and this here is the first river crossing. I won't say like we got a bit of puddle before also. That was not a river, it was just a puddle flowing a bit. And this is what we call a river crossing. Oh my god, it's so good. The flow is also not that high or something. I think I can cross it easily maybe. Let's try. Okay, let me just climb a bit up and try it from there. Yep, from here. Yeah. Oh my god, the water is so cold. Oh my god, it's so nice. Okay, it's so nice. Just need to mind my steps. Wow.
Come. शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश. लगे रहो. अरे इधर ही आओ, इधर जाना कहाँ है? ये मैं खड़ा हूँ. उसको मुझे थोड़ा सा कांवरिया की तरह जरा सा जोश चढ़ाना पड़ेगा, जैसे कांवरिया के लोग जोश चढ़ाते हैं. शाबाश शाबाश. ऐसे करके उसका फर्स्ट एडवेंचर है, उसका फर्स्ट ट्रैक है. अब तक सिर्फ बातें करती थी घर पर, और आज मैंने उसको अल्टीमेटली फंसा ही दिया कि करो, देखते हैं. चलो, गुड, शाबाश. चलो 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 आगे चलो चलो.
Okay, so yeah, we are now. What is this? अरे यार, छाते बंद करने पड़ेंगे यहाँ पे.
छाते बंद नहीं करने पड़ेंगे. छाते बंद कर लेंगे तो बारिश है, बैग भीगेगा तुम्हारा. सब ड्रोन शॉट साथ का ड्रोन सब दिख जाएंगे. हम लोग ड्रोन देख के चल रहे हैं जबरदस्ती कि साला ड्रोन अपने को लगेगा, लेकिन ड्रोन वहाँ उड़ा नहीं पाएंगे, फिर भी देख के जा रहे हैं. ओहो.
So, don't know how much we have completed the track. It's raining heavily and there is the river. So now we are like walking parallel to the river. And while like just few minutes back, we met this one family and they said that track तो सही है, but मतलब ऊपर नीचे बहुत है, तो उसके वजह से जो है strain गिर सकता है. And I've already started to strain. I like already started to strain my legs because like the maximum I have tracked is like not even for a kilometer, like half a kilometer is the max I have done, like walking 4 kilometers one way, and that too it's my first time. Oh my god, it's so mushy over here. Well, although it's a bit of hard, like at some parts it's a bit hard, but it's really quite fun. It's something like, it's like a very new adventure for me. Oh my god, just look at this. It's good. Wow, it's so dense forest. And can you, I don't know, but can you all see the like fogginess ahead? It's all because of the heavy rain. Like the rain, it's coming, it will rain heavily for a minute or two, it will start drizzling again, it will stop, then all of a sudden it will start repeating the same thing. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, so we think we are on the wrong track or what? Because it's closed here. लेकिन मैंने पहले देखा नहीं कहीं पे कि कोई दूसरा ट्रेल बना हो. उसके ऊपर चढ़ के जाए. मैं छाता बंद कर दे रही हूँ, बारिश मेरे ख्याल से रुक गई है. मुझे भी नहीं पता, मुझे कैसे पता. Okay, so there's this huge trunk, tree trunk fallen.
My God, ये भाई इतना बड़ा पर्वत पड़ा था यहाँ पर, ये अपने को चढ़ना था हनुमान जी की तरह. ये आप देख रहे हैं. और ओए मेरे को सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी फॉर माई लैंग्वेज। आ जाओ आ जाओ, कुछ नहीं और सालों की पत्तियाँ। अरे वो पत्ती इतनी चुभती है, पोकी है। हाँ इधर से है रास्ता, आ जाओ आ जाओ। मुझे तो लगा भाई खो गए अपन। आओ कम फास्ट, विल बी एबल टू कम। आई डोंट थिंक। जितना कोयला झोंको चलती है वैसे हमारे साथ गाड़ी है, धक्का गाड़ी है, धक्का देना पड़ता है, चिल्लाना पड़ता है। आओ हाँ चलो बस अब आ जाओ। अरे नहीं यार छाता रहने दो। हाँ इतना तो हमने आर्मी में जद्दोजहद नहीं की थी जितना आज कर रहे हैं। फिट रहा करें, सही बात है। और फिट रहने के लिए ऐसी ट्रेल क्या करें, ट्रैक क्या करें, एक से एक खूबसूरत। ये सामने ये देखो कितना प्यारा है ये। और ये इधर ऐसे जा रही है नदी और हमको ऐसे करके पार करना है। तो मेरा छाता टूट रहा भाई, और ऐसे करके ये आ जाना है। और ये रही सामने ट्रेन।
So that's from where we came. Had this another second river crossing and now continuing the trail.
कहीं दूर दूर तक
So it's been an hour since we are tracking, and like just look at this dense forest besides me. Oh, it feels so good amongst these huge trees. Oh wow, it's really nice. So what happens is that at some points ऐसा पैच आ जाता है that you'll think that अरे you are on the wrong track, but concluding right at that moment is wrong. Go a bit further and just see if there is a trail made or not. Okay, if it's not, then maybe you can just go back and try searching for the right trail. And like we are tracking alone. If you all are like some tourists, if you all like want a guide, you all can hire a guide from the entrance of the temple. वहाँ पे आपको guides मिल जाते हैं. Like they charge you something around 500, 800 something. Okay, so you all have that option as well while trekking. So while trekking, please carry a water bottle or something to eat, like some small little snacks like biscuits or anything like that. It will be helpful. We have carried a bottle, water bottle, but nothing to eat because we are full, and we thought that maybe we could manage without eating. Oh. Wow. Look at that river. What a beautiful butterfly. Ay. Right away.
तेरे बिन नींदरा मेरी मुरझाइयां प्यार करके दस केड़ी कितियां कमाइयां, हाँ कमाइयां। आजा मुड़िया मार दिया मैनू है जुदाइयां, जुदाइयां। आजा मुड़िया मार दिया मैनू है जुदाइयां, जुदाइयां। ਸੁਪਨੇ ਚ ਯਾਰ ਵਸਦਾ ਰੋਂਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਰੋਵੇ ਹੱਸਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਯਾਰ ਹੱਸਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਹਜ਼ਾਰ ਹੋਈ
So while trekking, when you get such water crossings like river water crossing, and आप जब उसमें से क्रॉस होते हो ना, you really feel refreshing and somewhat आपकी पैर की थकान थोड़ी थोड़ी कम होती जाती है. Okay, now that's what I feel. Everyone can have, you know, different perspective. This was mine. Okay, and जैसा जैसा हम लोग आगे जा रहे हैं, the forest is getting dense. And I'm also getting a bit tired. It's so good. You know, we are carrying a drone. Like I'm carrying a drone in my bag. Also few cameras, like 2 cameras in my bag, and I'm tracking. Even after we are carrying this stuff, even after we know that we won't be able to use it, but still 1% chance, 2% chances for the rain to stop. Like currently it has stopped, but where will you fly a drone in such dense forest, right? Anyway, we are going.
तेरे बिन नींदरा मेरी मुरझाइयां प्यार करके दस केड़ी कितियां कमाइयां.
So after trekking for almost an hour, here we have reached and we saw a few more people. I think they are returning from the track, not sure. So we just passed a signboard which said that this is the snake habitat and we might find snakes over here. So not to disturb them if we see them. Just look at all this. How thick is the forest here? Nice. Okay, so if this is a snake habitat, we need to pay attention to our footings even more now.
ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਤੇ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਚ ਯਾਰ ਵਸਦਾ.
Some bugs are there.
ਰੋਂਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਰੋਵੇ ਹੱਸਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਯਾਰ ਹੱਸਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਹਜ਼ਾਰ ਹੋਈ ਏ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦੱਸਾਂ ਜਿੰਦ ਮੇਰੀ ਖ਼ੁਆਰ ਹੋਈ ਏ ਪਿਆਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਟੁੱਟਿਆ ਤੇ ਚੂਰ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਦਿਲ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਹਾਰ ਹੋਈ ਏ ਕੰਨ ਤੋੜੀਆਂ ਯਾਰਾ ਤੂੰ ਨਾ ਕਸਮਾਂ ਨਿਭਾਈਆਂ प्यार करके दस केड़ी कितियां कमाइयां हाँ कमाइयां आजा मुड़िया मार दिया मैनू है जुदाइयां.
Oh, I think we have reached till the waterfall and now this is, I think this is the final climb. Let's just finish it off quickly because the amount of water flow here is too much. So I suppose we are near. I thought we reached the waterfall 20 minutes back. Still we haven't reached. I think maybe now we have reached. I'm so tired, I tell you. I just want to sit somewhere to rest. But over here there is no place where you can sit. It's all muddy, mushy. What an adventure, I tell you, today. So it's the last phase of the trekking, and man, I tell you, it's almost 1.5 hours since we are just walking, and finally I have made it to this fall. This is the signboard suggesting not to swim. Finally made it. PM and it took us 2 hours to trek 4 kilometers, and now it has started raining really very heavily. The last pack I did not record anything because it was seriously very tough, slippery. Okay, and now we have finally reached here to the waterfall, and we want to come here now, but we are not taking the risk because you see, the forest department has already done taping and asked not to go further. Okay, so I'll just show you all the view of the waterfall from here, which is the last point to see the waterfall. Here is the waterfall, and just look at the flow of this waterfall. So good. It's like the mini Dudhsagar. Oh my god, it's so huge. The track was really very worth it. Wow, look, some people are there. I don't want to go there. Oh wow, just look at how beautiful it is. Oh wow. Finally! That was the Tambri Surla waterfall, and now we are going back because बहुत ही कड़क ना बादल गरज रहे हैं, and we think it's going to even rain more heavily now, so we don't want to take the risk of getting stuck here only. And अभी जो है हम डायरेक्ट आपको जो है पार्किंग में जाके मिलेंगे. हमको बहुत जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा and carefully also because right now the time is 3:20 and we have to reach back by 5. आते आते 2 घंटे लग गए. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक फॉर अस टू गो बैक. एंड अभी बारिश तेज़ हो रही है, तो मे बी जो वाटर क्रॉसिंग्स मिली थी उसमें भी पानी का फ्लो थोड़ा बढ़ चुका होगा. सो वी हैव टू बी क्विक नाउ. ओके देन आई विल सी यू अगेन आफ्टर रीचिंग इन द पार्किंग. सो आफ्टर ट्रैकिंग बैक टुवर्ड्स द पार्किंग, इट्स बीन हाफ एन आवर. Okay, and all that tough patch where I was telling, right, that it's really very dangerous. all that patch is over, and now this is our first water crossing going back, and we're so tired. So cold water, I tell you. So when you all like trek and all, these are the experiences that make you love the nature more. This is what I feel. You know, like this is probably the first time that I'm doing such kind of things. And I'm like literally loving to put my legs in mud and like wherever it is mushy and all. And like all these experiences, like washing your face with this cold natural water, like it's really very nice experience, I tell you. And now we are still, I don't know how many kilometers away. It's just 4 o'clock. I think it should be like by 4:30 or maybe 4:45 we should be reaching back. And now it's like the patch is okay, and like somewhere it's a bit tricky, then at some places it's again easy, and it has also stopped raining, so it should be good now. So let's continue our way back to the parking. So now we are so tired, and just look at it. धूप निकली है कितनी अच्छी वाली, बट धूप तो है एंड इसके साथ साथ जो है बादल भी गरज रहे हैं. मे बी थोड़ी देर बाद बारिश होगी, बट जस्ट लुक एट इट, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट्स लुकिंग. मतलब आप पूरा अंधेरा है एंड थोड़ा जहाँ पे ऐसा ओपनिंग है वहाँ से धूप अंदर आ रही है. कितना प्यारा दिख रहा है. और अभी शायद से हम लोग बस पहुँचने वाले हैं, थोड़ा ही बचा है. एंड हम इतने थक चुके हैं कि अगर हम रुक रहे हैं ना तो हमारे हाथ काँप रहे हैं, पैर भी काँप रहे हैं. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ मेमोरी ऑफ लाइफ टाइम. Like it's probably this is the first time that I have done so much of trekking. So that's why it's going to be a memory of lifetime. So we have now finally made it back to the parking, and dang, it was so tiring. We have literally no strength in ourselves. अभी यहाँ पे जो गाड़े हैं, you can some snacks are available. Tea, onion pakoda, then vada pav, Maggi and all these things are available. So we'll have something over here before leaving and rest for a while. So we are on our way back home right now, and I think that we have suddenly teleported ourselves to Ooty. Like just look at the fog in the distance on those mountains. Literally it's giving the feels of